Alright, today I got some repairs to do on this floor buffer machine. First thing I'm going to let everybody know, your system may be different than ours, but ours at our facility, to lower the handle to put it in a position where you can work with it, you just need to push this handle down, adjust the lever, the handle to where you want it, and then you just lock it right back by lifting it up. Alright, we had an issue. Another associate didn't quite understand how to do that. How to unlock it, bring it back up, then you can lock it down. Ended up smacking this other side, the lock nut, with a hammer enough times till they broke it off. So now that part there is shot. But anyways, remember, it just slides up, or sorry, down, put it in the position you want it at, maybe back some, then lock it back into place. That's all it is to it, easy as pie. So that's the buffer. The other issue, same associate, I guess they decided to buff the cord a little. I got copper lines showing through there, so I got to switch this cord out, or I got to shorten it a little. Goes all the way down. Plenty of shock hazards through there. So I'm going to get set up and we're going to try and see what's inside this floor buffer to get this cord swapped out. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and take off this back panel. Hopefully it'll come off. This is unplugged while I'm doing it. See something here. It looks like pop rivets or rivets. I'm trying to lift it up enough so I can see inside what it goes to. I guess it's just a helps center it up on the plate on the inside, so I think it should slip straight up and off. Alright. Sure you can see up here. I think I gotta get this off of here. Piece of that cord keeper came off. Alright, so got a ground here. Trying to drop that screw down the tube. Takes care of the ground. Oh, great. Okay, not so bad. I have to resplice a new end on this. Pulling this positive terminal off. I've got a very short. This is what I was concerned about. I saw that the white almost looked like it went up in the tube, and then I see that my neutral from the main cord coming in is short. I don't know what kind of business it is to just tie that right there. I know it's a neutrals, but still, some neutrals are backfed. We don't want nobody to get lit up because of that. Alright, so we got everything out. We're just going to cut this cable shorter now. I'll go ahead and cheat this down the line. And I won't be able to get this this locking bushing probably down that line with the frayed out. Let me give it a try. Just be smarter. Go ahead and cut this back, I guess where it's not stripped out dangerously anymore. Probably the length I need.
When Max gets done with those, send them over to Diego so Diego can go to lunch. Yes.
Cut this and get this locking bushing out of here instead of wasting my time pulling it all the way through forever. Probably do a butt joint on that one. My black one was a, make sure it fits. Yeah. Let's hope all this works. Getting it up in there as tight as I can. Crimp it on there. Now the green, it was a loop. So I'm putting the loop back on so I can go into that ground out screw. and my white. I'm going to go ahead and go with a butt connect. Yeah, what's up, what's up?
Laser tag?
No, I'm back in the tool room. I'm fixing that floor buffer cord. Said I'm fixing that floor buffer cord. Alright. Trying to feed everything back. Looks about right. Locking bushing back up. Start with the ground out plug. Black one. Reattach it. The positive. Couldn't get my hand up in there to push it, so I grabbed it with the pliers and pried it over. Now let's see if we can get this other white one hooked up here a little safer. This thing's got a, I think they's got a crimper on it. Let's give it a whirl. Heck yeah. Those Gerber multipliers are pretty good for a lot of stuff. Okay, I'm going to tuck this wire up. In. There we go. Keep it away from everything else. I'll show you on the back side before I put it back together. Something popped off when I was working on it. If I can get you around here. There, that's the ground screw. The ground screw was actually connected to this spring. And I believe that's to reset the lock, so you can't just automatically run the buffer. You have to move this lock out of the way to activate it, to actuate it. So just put that spring back on. Got the housing back. Slide it back down over. I think I gotta pull it out just a hair. There we go. Screws are lined back up. Go ahead and start them by hand. Make sure they're not cross-threaded. Alright, cord's all fixed for somebody else to tear it up again. Pretty soon it'll be like a 2-foot cord. Alright, that's it. That's a repair on this floor buffer. Coming up soon enough, I guess I'm going to go ahead and have to order that other part down there. that bolt. Once I get it in, I'll just put it on. I'm not going to make a video about that.